Hi everyone, it's Jake Groves from Bright Blue Digital Marketing. I'm here today with a new video, so sorry I haven't posted anything recently, but things have been super crazy busy with the agency and the various things that I've got going on. I've also taken quite a number of courses over the summer, all to do with various online businesses and digital marketing, affiliate and things like that. And I took a course the other day that I really want to talk about. So for those of you who don't know, I'm Jake Groves, based in the UK, and work as a digital marketer in my spare time. I do have a normal job as well, but obviously trying to get this off the ground and my own business and start that up and grow it from there. So I've been learning lots of things and sharing my knowledge about SEO and things with everyone else. But today I want to talk about Internet Jet Set, which is John Crestani's affiliate marketing course. Now, I only took it about 3 or 4 days ago. I absolutely blitzed through the course because it's only 12 hours long. It's brilliant. Really impressed with it. That's why I'm making this video. And it starts, so he takes you through what is affiliate marketing, teaches you sort of the basics, and then he takes you through choosing a niche, and he does it in quite a fun way as well. So it's quite interactive, gets you thinking, and does make you choose sort of a general niche that does suit your personality and suit what you're after. Really enjoyed that. Then he goes on to teach you about SEO strategies, Facebook strategies, and YouTube, all to get you free traffic for your affiliate links. And again, all that is gold. I've done a lot of digital marketing in the past few years, but even so, I still learnt parts. There were bits that I didn't know. So for the value, it was really worth it. It was a good course, and they crammed it into sizable chunks. I think that's why it's 12 hours in total, but it's only built into modules, so it was very good from that point of view. And so wanted to talk about that and just say that it is really good. Then the content marketing he does in it is really good as well. That's sort of a bonus part. And then you get another couple of bonuses, which is the webinars that he does, and a course within the course, which is all around affiliate marketing as well. And that goes even deeper. I haven't actually completed that bonus part, and because there's just so much in it, I'm going to go back and do the course again. It really is worth going through a couple of times, I imagine, because it's just the value is there. And it cost me $47. It was about £40. So $47, £40 in the UK, absolute bargain for what you get. I've done a degree and over £10,000, and I would choose this course over that every day of the week now I've done it. So I've put the link below for those of you who want to take action, because that's what this course really pushes you to do. It take action, go and do it now. He pushes you so hard in the course to do stuff now. I actually got my first affiliate commission in the first 2 hours of doing the course, as he promised, purely because he makes you take action. And if you do take action, it does work. This stuff works. It's all laid out for you, module by module. I think that's all I can say about it. Is it's absolutely brilliant, and I really wanted to put this out to anyone who wants to do digital marketing and especially affiliate stuff. Go get this course, because it is absolutely the bee's knees. The link's below. Click it now. Go for it. I'll see you in the forums. And I'll see you then. So I'll be making more videos about other courses I've done. Not all of them are the best. And that's everything. So remember to like and subscribe. Thanks very much. See you next time.